Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope you're taking care of yourself and your families during these difficult times. I thought today I'll be sharing with you how to fix the handles of your handbag if in case yours also suffer from the same condition just like mine here. I'm an IT professional and I sometimes overstuff my bag thinking that I might need, all the things in the office. I thought we'll be fixing the same and I'll be sharing the entire process with you. As you can see, my entire bag looks new, but the handles are totally worn off. So let's get started to fix this handbag. To fix this handbag, we don't need anything fancy. We just need to look closely in our closets. So I found this old scarf that I think matches the vibe of my bag perfectly. So in case you don't have any such thing, I have an alternate for you as well. Just look for an old dupatta of yours or ask your mom if you can use any of her dupatta that is almost discarded from her side. Once you have the dupatta with you, cut it in half if you want to fix both front and back because dupattas are bigger in size, so we need to cut it in half. So once you're done cutting the dupatta in half, you can hem the rough edges by using a needle. I'll be hemming the same using my sewing machine. I just find it more easy and convenient. Yeah. So once finished, we'll start with the final step of fixing our handbag. We'll start by wrapping this dupatta over the handle. Take your time here to make it look as appealing as you like because in the end it's all about your likings and your confidence about it. Here I'm using the end of the dupatta to create a flowy edge towards the end of the handle and will carefully secure the same using a knot. So I'll be repeating the process of placing the dupatta towards the end once again. So this knot will actually give additional support to the broken handle and it will give it more life. After securing the knot, lay the dupatta comfortably over the handle. If the material of your dupatta tends to slip a lot, you can use hot glue gun or any fabric glue for that matter to secure it in place. I like it this way so that I can change it anytime I want. To be honest, this way the handles feels more comfortable on the shoulders as well. Once you reach the end, secure it with the same kind of knot we used earlier and leave some flowy thingy in the end to make it look more appealing. Once done with the front, we'll repeat the entire same process in the back. So let me finish the back in the same way and get back to you. So as you can see, it doesn't cost you anything and the bag looks new and all cute again. So try this and let me know in the comment section below if you like this method. You can also tag me on Instagram if you try anything. My handle is in the description box below. I hope you really like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do hit like and subscribe the channel if you would like to see more such content. Thank you.